Hi guys, so I'll be talking through the entire video and it's going to be a makeup look, not a tutorial. It's not a tutorial in any way. It's just me sitting in front of camera doing makeup for myself and filming it. That sounds so wrong. So the weather here in this part of the world is not great. It's always almost gloomy, rainy and grumpy, and makes me feel grumpy. So I thought I'll do this sort of a pick-me-up makeup look, feel good about myself. Luckily, I don't know, the sun is out today. It's usually not the case during this time of the year. So let's get started. I'll be just spraying my face with Mario Badescu facial spray. It's a rose water with aloe and herbs and everything, just to freshen up my skin. I haven't done my skincare yet. Let me just zoom you guys in. So change of position. I didn't feel like sitting on the bed, so I'm sitting on the floor. I spoke so soon. It started raining now. Yeah, sunlight is gone. So let's just quickly get into the video before it becomes really dark and I don't get to use the natural light. So as I told you, I just spritz my face with rose water and then I use my skincare. I feel skincare is really important for any kind of makeup look. That's just my opinion, because if you have good skincare and your skin is looking really healthy, really dewy, your makeup will look really nice, really natural, and it won't look like you are wearing a lot of makeup on your face, which I'm not a fan of anyways. So skincare is really important for me. And I'm using my Clinique Moisture Surge Hydration Intense Hydration. It's for dry and dry combination skin, and I use a lot of product because I want my skin to look really dewy. I'll be mixing this is one of my favorite products and I used a lot of it in summer, but kind of stopped using it as winter approached. So this is d-bronzi anti-pollution sunshine drops. It's from Drunk Elephant and it's highly potent. So I'll just use just a small squirt of it like that. Oh my god, that's too much, but I'll be using that just to give my skin really sort of bronzed look without using a lot of bronzer.
Has anybody told you one?
So that product just gave me a little bit of warmth back to my face, and yeah, so skincare is done. Moving on to complexion, I've already dotted my the foundation I'm going to be using. Actually, it's not a foundation, it's marketed as a skin tint. I look ridiculous right now, but yeah, just bear with it. This is Bear With Me by NYX and it's marketed as Tinted Skin Veil, but I feel it's more than just a skin tint. It has a medium coverage. It's sort of dewy but not too dewy like Chanel Le Beige, the one I love. This is more like a satin finish, evens out your skin tone, doesn't cover a lot of skin texture, but it just evens out your skin tone and your skin looks really healthy. I feel not quite dewy but not matte as well, if that makes sense. A little bit more. Also, I'm in the shade Beige Camel. They have like six shades. I know that's not a lot of skin shades, but for a tint, one shade will suit a lot of skin tones. So yeah. It's easy to blend it out and I feel it's perfect for office when you are in a hurry, you don't have a lot of time in the morning, so you can use this. So as you can see, it hasn't covered a lot of texture on my face, which I'm happy about. I'm not about that full coverage life. I like my skin texture to show. That's okay with me. I just want an even complexion, which this does perfectly, and it's such an affordable price. It's a drugstore makeup and it's around 8 to 10 euros depending on where you are purchasing it. I'm happy with this purchase. So did my eyebrows off camera because I don't want to bore you with that because it takes a lot of time. Moving on to my another favorite product and purchase, which I did purchase this last month when we went to Romania. I don't have Sephora near where I live, so when we went to Romania, I found a Sephora there and I went inside and I bought myself a Fenty Beauty bronze stick. This is called it's a matchstick and it's in the shade Mocha. It's a matte bronzer, matte stick bronzer, and I absolutely love it. Sometimes I just apply directly on my face, but today I'm just using a buffing brush to add a little bit of color to my cheeks.
Has anybody told you once? Have you any idea why?
And just to set that up, I'm using my Hoola bronzer on top of it, just ever so slightly, just to set that cream stick bronzer. There's one more product which I bought from Sephora from Romania, and oh my god, it's this Milk Makeup lip and cheek tint and it's in the shade Werk. I got the mini version. It's so cute and it's so travel friendly. The shade, oh my god, the shade had me like anything. Such a mauvey pink brownie blush. Absolutely love it. I'm going to be using the same brush, whatever is on my hand first, and then apply it on my cheeks, and then from the stick just apply it, go up to the temple. That's what I like to do. I like to take my blush to my temple. If you have access to Milk makeup near you or online, just order this. It's for 12 euros, I think. Perfect for traveling, and sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I just use this on my cheeks. I like to use a lot of blush. If you don't know, I like to go overboard with my blush, and I use this on my cheeks and then I apply it on my lips as well because it's such a perfect nude. Absolutely love it. Did you realize I didn't even use a concealer? Because I didn't. I completely forgot. Anyways, moving on to the eyes. I'll be using this gold pencil from MAC. It's in the shade Coffee. Just to give some definition. I'll be using this Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette. It has all the right warm shades in this. All the right warm shades. And I'll be using this shimmer shade right here just to add a little bit of color on my eyelids.
Have you any idea why?
And I am going to be mixing this shimmer shade right here. And I'm going to be mixing this shimmer shade right here on top of it, just to mellow it down a little bit. It's too orange, it's to make it more copper toned, if you will. It's getting so dark, oh my god. And I'll be using this brush and like a warm shade just to tie it all together. That is good. Let's just quickly add some volume to the eyelashes. So I'll be using two lip shades today. This one is by MAC. It's called Ruby Woo. It's a classic cult favorite. The other one is from YSL. I'll find it out and I'll link it down. So let's just apply this beautiful red shade on our lips. And on top of it, I'll be using this lip shade. It's a lip, sort of lip balm from YSL. Warm orange tint to it. Let me just apply a little bit of shine to my cheeks, which is highlighter. My hair is wild today. I can't really do anything. It's wild. So this is my complete pick me up kind of makeup look. Just ignore the hair.